first going to use the Primer Balancing Face Mist. I do have more shadow I've run out of it, so I'm getting a new one too. Just any day I can. Refreshing. My skin so much. Now I'm going to use the Sun-Kissed blush because it's in. I'm going to use the Face Gel palette. I don't really use this one. I don't use that one that much. I don't really know what to use it for. But I use the highlighting brush. So let's see the blush. So cute. Cute. Now, oh, that looks so bad. It looks better on camera. Wait, let me turn the light on. I mean, it looks bad on camera. I'm just going to do some of this and blend it in. Nice, and some on my nose. There. I'm going to curl my lashes now. If you can see what I'm doing. I just realised I didn't record what I was saying. But it'll do only a tiny bit. So yeah. Both now. It looks better on my eyes. It looks like on the mirror. Look. I am recording on my iPad because I want to. It's just easier to use. But I will be using my camera sometimes. So now mascara. I just used this Sun-Kissed one. It's really good because it doesn't smudge. Pretty. So nice. So that's done. Now I'm going to use this Sugar. Yes, and now I'm going to use the Sugar lip liner thing like I just said. I think I don't know if I recorded it or not. Sorry if I've said it already, so I'm just going to outline my lips with it. So now I've done that, I'm now going to use my the Summer Fridays Cherry Lip Gloss. So this is so nice. It's very cold. Squeeze out. That is red. Very red. Now I'm going to use this milk. I'm going to use this. Bye.